I hope you're fine and safe. Children, today we'll do chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is The Earth and the Solar System. Okay? Children, first of all, let us learn about heavenly bodies. Okay? अच्छा बच्चों, मेरे को एक बात बताओ कि what all things you see in the sky? So you see a huge ball of light, right? And that huge ball of light is called sun, which shines brightly in the sky every morning. So you see sun, and apart from sun, at night, what else do we see? We see the moon and the countless stars. Okay? So children, now the sun, the moon and the stars, they all are what? Heavenly bodies. They all are heavenly bodies. So you know what are heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon and the stars, right? Now children, let's move to the next slide. What is a solar system? Children, the sun and its family, they form a solar system. Okay, the sun and its family. अब sun और उसकी family में क्या कौन कौन आते हैं? See, let us see now. The family of the sun includes the sun itself. ठीक है? Sun तो आता ही है. Apart from sun, who all comes? The 8 planets. Okay? The family of the sun includes the sun, the 8 planets and the satellite of these 8 planets. ठीक है? Satellite means the moon. The moon of the 8 planets. Okay? So, who all comes under the family of sun? The sun itself, 8 planets and the satellite of these 8 planets. Now children, let us know the definition of satellite. A satellite is a moon that orbits a planet or star. Okay? Earth also have one natural satellite and that is moon, which revolves around the earth. Right? So you've understood that what is a solar system? Solar system is basically the sun and its family. Okay, and who all comes under the family of sun? The sun itself, 8 planets and the satellite of these 8 planets. Now children, do you know that solar system, it was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. Okay, it's that old, 4.6 billion years back. Children, now let us know about planets. ठीक है? What are planets, children? A planet is a large heavenly body. ठीक है? It is a large heavenly body and it is made of rocks and gases, and that orbits around the sun. Fine. It is a large heavenly body. और ये किसका बना होता है बच्चों? It is made up of rocks and gases. And children, the planets, they orbit around the sun. Okay? Children, planets are also stars. Okay? And children, how many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets of the solar system. Okay? Now children, you see, this is the picture. This yellow part is the sun. Okay? After that, the first planet is Mercury. Then here it is Venus. Then after Venus, Earth, on which we all live. That is where human beings are shown on the planet Earth. Then is children Mars. Okay? Then which planet comes? Jupiter. See how big it is when we compare it to the size of Earth. है ना? कितना बड़ा है Jupiter? Then which planet comes? Saturn. Okay? And you can also see a ring around a Saturn. This is an imaginary ring. Okay? This is a ring of dust and gases. So, then after Saturn, which planet comes? Uranus. Okay? And after Uranus, Neptune. So these are the 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay? Children, do you know that earlier there were 9 planets? ठीक है, नेपच्यून के बाद भी एक प्लैनेट था और उसका नाम क्या था? प्लूटो। देखो, ये मैंने पहले की पिक्चर दिखाई है। यहाँ पे नेपच्यून है ना? In this image you can see Neptune is there, and after that there was one more planet and its name was Pluto. But children, you can see the size of Pluto. It is very small, है ना? तो इसीलिए इसको जो स्टेटस मिला था प्लैनेट का, it got, its status has been officially changed now from a planet to a dwarf planet. Okay, to a dwarf planet. Dwarf planet मतलब बहुत ही छोटा planet. इसीलिए अब हम इसको planets के उसमें count नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है? Now it is not considered as a planet anymore, and it has been recently dropped from the list of planets in the solar system. Okay. So children, earlier there were 9 planets, but now we have just 8 planets till Neptune. Why Pluto is not included? Because it is a very small planet, and that is why it got dropped from the list of planets. Okay, and now it is called the dwarf planet. Dwarf matlab chota, tiny. Okay, dwarf matlab chota. Children, now let us know about Sun. Children, you all know that Sun is the center of the solar system, है ना? You see in the image that all the planets are revolving around the Sun, and Sun is in the center, ठीक है? And all the planets revolve around the Sun. Children, the planets, the Earth, Mars, Mercury, Venus, they have no light of their own. ठीक है? In fact, none of the stars have their light of their own. अब जो stars जो चमकते हैं, जो planets जो shine करते हैं, वो कैसे shine करते हैं बच्चों? They get heat and light from the sun. Okay, they get heat and light from the sun. So now you know about sun also. Now children, let us quickly revise what we learned today. We learned about heavenly bodies, है ना? The sun, the moon and the countless stars, they are all heavenly bodies. Then children, we learned about solar system. Solar system is basically the sun and its family. And who all are there in this family of sun? Sun itself, 8 planets and the satellite which revolve around the sun. Then children, we learned about planets. That what are planets? These are the heavenly bodies, and these are made up of what? Rock and gases. Okay, and they orbit around the sun. How many planets are there, children? There are 8 planets. But earlier, how many planets we had? We had 9 planets, and the 9th planet name was Pluto. But अभी उसको हटा दिया गया है planet की list से. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत ही छोटा है, इसीलिए. ठीक है? Then children, in the end we learnt about sun. Sun क्या है? It is the center of the solar system, and all the planets, they revolve around the sun. Children, all the planets, they do not have their light and heat of their own, so they get the heat and light from the sun. Okay, children, if you have any doubts related to this chapter, related to the topic which we learned today, you can message me. Okay, children, goodbye, take care of yourself.